before we get into today's video, I just wanted to let you guys know that I will be giving away one of those new Porpoise guns to one of you guys, the Porpoise PRD 815. It's like a $450 gun. You guys are going to be given the chance to get it for completely free. I have my website almost complete. Sorry, I'm driving while I'm making this. I have my website almost complete. All you guys are going to have to do to enter is head over to the website, and there will be a form on the bottom of the home page. That's where I have it right now, but I may end up moving. I'm not sure yet. But regardless, you'll find a form that you just fill out your first and last name, your email address, and there are only 2 requirements to enter for free. You just have to be subscribed to the channel, and you're going to have to comment on the giveaway video saying I'm in. Other than that, you'll be able to get additional entries by buying a shirt or a sticker. Obviously, that's if you want to support the channel and you want to have a greater chance of winning that free paint gun. With all that being said, let's get into today's video. So I'm sitting here editing this video that I just made, and the audio on the first 2 clips was complete trash. So I just want to give you guys some context real quick. Basically, in the video that I made comparing clearing with the high pressure versus the low pressure, a subscriber had commented saying that he applies his first coat with the high pressure and then his second coat with the low pressure. I thought that was really interesting, and it kind of made a lot of sense to me, and it's just something I wanted to try. So in this video, that's exactly what I did. I gave it a shot, and the results speak for themselves, man. This is exactly what I mean when I say that I make these videos to learn also, because I never saw my clear look how it did at the end of this job, man. Let me tell you, you'll see exactly what I'm talking about. With that being said, now let's get into the video. Okay, everything's all based out. I had a brilliant idea. What I'm gonna do is shoot this door how I normally would, with the same pressure on both coats, 20 to 21 PSI. This quarter, I'm gonna go with 26 PSI on my first coat, and then I'll lower it down to 20, 21, and then we'll be able to compare the door and the quarter and see if that tighter coat for our first coat improves our texture or increases our texture.
And I have my fan and my fluid both wide open. You guys ever get caught up on the trunk hinge and get into trouble? Now I stop and I go on the other side and then keep shooting. I always just clear everything. Looking good. Alright, now let's lower our pressure down to 20 to 21, and I'll shoot this door. 20 PSI. And let me know what you guys do when you apply your clear. Do you use the same pressure on both coats? Do you go higher than lower? Do you go lower than higher? I'm interested to see what methods are out there. I'll do the same thing on the trunk. So the trunk and the door will both have my normal pressure, or I should say my normal way of clearing, which is, I just put low pressure, use 20 PSI for both coats. So we'll be able to compare the trunk and the door to the quarter panel.
Now, real quick to explain why I felt like this was worth giving a shot. You know, the high pressure, like I said, it puts on a really tight coat, which is good. The only problem is the overspray that it causes, messing with the texture of the finish of your clear. So if we get a nice tight coat on our first coat and then we lower our pressure on the second coat, realistically we should have a flatter finish than if we just went low pressure with both coats, because we have a very tight coat underneath. As of now, after our first coat, I can definitely tell you that our quarter has more texture than our door. Not by much, but it definitely has more texture. It is very close. But we're going to see if, you know, when we lower our pressure now on this second coat, if it flattens out a bit to match the door, or if perhaps the quarter panel is going to end up flatter than the door because that first coat is on there tighter.
All right, here goes our second coat. 20 psi. I feel like I'm gonna get a run. I feel like I'm gonna get a run on that quarter. Right where I just put that last little coat on, something just didn't look right to me right there. $19, $20, same thing. Alright, and last panel. All right, let's give this about 10 minutes to flow out a bit, and then we'll come in and check to see if I gotta run. Nah, we'll come in to see
If going higher pressure on that quarter on the first pass made any difference than just shooting low pressure for both coats on this door. All right, it's been about 10 minutes. Here's what we got. You can see we have a nice OEM texture on our trunk lid. Maybe a little flatter than OEM, but close to OEM. And then our door, same thing. A little less texture than the manufacturer. Here there's a decent amount of texture. Now, let's check out our quarter. One thing I noticed right away with the quarter, it just looks like it has more depth to it. I don't know why that would be, but the texture is similar. So I would say doing high and then low pressure isn't going to make a difference in your texture than just going low pressure on both panels. This might have slightly more texture, but the finish overall to me is better. And I think I'm going to start applying my clear this way, because for some reason, I don't know if the camera's going to pick it up, but it just seems like this panel has more depth or more clear than the other two panels. It just looks better. Even though it has a little more texture, it just looks better. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Let me know how you spray your clear. Do you leave your pressure the same? Do you go higher first, lower second, lower first, higher second? I'm really interested to find out. And if you guys tweak your gun settings at all, let me know that also in the comments below. With all that being said, I really appreciate you guys taking the time to check out the video. If you got any value out of it, if you enjoyed it at all, if you could, like, comment, subscribe, and until the next time, peace!